Alright, I know last y'all saw we had the engine in. Actually, big blocks don't fit so well where V6s were, so had to make a little more firewall room, slice and dice, so we could get us a radiator in there. I'm gonna weld something back on the bottom after we get the radiator fit once we get the engine in. Not sure exactly where it's gonna go because it's fan and everything. Gonna make it fit, but right now we're gonna stick this thing back in there. Get some bolts in it. Get some work done. Push. Woohoo! Come down a little. Come in a little. And I need to go up a little bit with the truck. Okay, come in. Push in. Woo! That's plenty. Let's let her down. Okay, let's come in some more. Come down with it. Okay, whoa. Go back up some. You still got it loose. Come up. What's happening? All right. Cylinder fail. Awesome. Love AutoZone. Guess we'll pause and figure this out. All right, got our cherry picker figured out. Went ahead and let it on down. Here, Wyatt, get your bolts on over there. Grab this one. We'll tighten her up. Guess it's a good time to see if the clearance where we're making it work. Got some handmade sheet metal valve covers. Need on here to clear these rockers. Yeah, buddy. That's perfect. Just enough room. I may have messed it up with the pliers a little bit. Squeezing it. Well, could have messed it up too. You see? Just probably messed the threads up a little bit. Or maybe it's easier from the bottom. Tighten your top and we'll just get it from the bottom. It'll be easier to reach. Get the old valve cover back on, keep the dirt out. Oh yeah, we got a nice room now. Move the throttle cable a little. Actually, let me check that too. Had to raise the throttle cable a little in the firewall of the valve cover. Oh yeah, she'll sneak right by. It's like they made this valve cover to go around it. It's not to fit the firewall. All right, let's get the cherry picker off. Lift this thing up. Get some more bolts in. I may have did that too soon. Oh no, we're good. We're good. Let me drag it out of the way. Okay, let's lift her up. Yeah, I think I scuffed the threads a little bit, but it started. You can run it on. As you guys can see, there's not a lot of room once this thing gets in there. It takes up all that V6 space. And a little lift info for you guys. When you go buy your lift for your shop, don't buy the cheapie. Get the good one. You never know what you got to lift, and you want to make sure you got a strong one. Made the mistake of buying the cheapie in a different shop, and you regret it every time you use it. Things are just sketchy. Get the big daddy. You tight? Good? She's stuck again. Oh yeah. It's because we're using a 14 on a 9/16. That's good. She worked. All right, we're going to take a break for a minute. We got a few things we got to install, like seat belts, tranny cooler, things like that. We'll just switch over and do that, and then we'll come back and make some more engine video in a little while with us putting some of the accessories on this thing.